Sir, again in Karkala yesterday, Veerappa Moile said no one can stop from DK Shivakumar becoming Chief Minister. Again and again this issue is coming to the now.
See, Mr. Moily or anybody else did not say Mr. DK Shivakumar is going to be the CM today afternoon or tomorrow. They are saying one day he will be rewarded for his hard work. So be it, that High Command will decide it. If I say it in front of the media, is it going to happen? It won't happen. Our responsibilities are very clear. Mr. Siddaramaiah is the Chief Minister. Mr. DK Shivakumar is the PCC President and the Deputy Chief Minister. I am the RDPR Minister. We have our responsibilities cut out. What is the problem in that? I might want somebody XYZ to be the CM one day. Let it, whoever has worked hard, they will be rewarded today or tomorrow. Whatever, it is his opinion. Like how I am giving you my opinion, it is his opinion. But that opinion should be spoken where it carries value. That's in the High Command.
So the Bombay High Court has implicated certain former SEBI officials, the stock market
So what does the Finance Minister have to say about the Mumbai High Court order? Mr. Rahul Gandhi time and again has been telling about SEBI and the irregularities that has been conducted by the SEBI chief. What does she have to say for herself? What does Mr. Amit Shah have to say? Why is the Prime Minister so quiet? It is not about a very small scam. Middle class, lower middle class income groups have invested in the stock market. And if that is being rigged, and that is a corrupt institution, who is answerable for this? I think, absolutely, sir, we have been telling that the ex-SEBI chief is guilty. She's tainted, she's corrupt. We had shown it also. But they refused to even answer this on the floor of the House. And today it is proved. What does the Finance Minister have to say for this? Playing with the incomes of the middle income group.
सर एक खास कंफर्ट की व्यवस्था की गई है मेंबर्स के लिए आप इसको कैसे हिंदी में अगर
I am not sure about the recliners, nor am I sure. I am aware of the massage chairs that you are suggesting. But one thing I would like to tell about our speaker, Mr. UT Khader, is he's been relentlessly trying to ensure that MLAs are present in the assembly, participate in the assembly. He's been running the house till 12 a.m., 1 a.m. as well to ensure that people get answers from their legislators and from the government. So I'm not sure about this, but he's been on a relentless pursuit to ensure that we are all accountable.